Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on mastering web accessibility with React and ARIA live regions. In today's digital world, accessibility is not just a best practice, it's a necessity. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills to implement dynamic content updates that significantly improve screen reader support in real-time applications. Imagine creating a chat application where visually impaired users can participate as seamlessly as anyone else. That's the power of Area Live Regions. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials that keep you updated with the latest in web development. Let's get started. Let's begin by understanding the core concepts of our topic. Web accessibility ensures that websites can be used by everyone, including people with disabilities. This includes users with auditory, cognitive, neurological, physical, speech, and visual impairments. React, a popular JavaScript library, excels at building dynamic user interfaces, especially single-page applications where content updates frequently. It uses a component-based architecture, making it ideal for handling complex UIs with real-time updates. Next, we have ARIA, which stands for Accessible Rich Internet Applications. ARIA is a set of attributes that enhance web content and applications' accessibility to people with disabilities. It provides semantic information to assistive technologies like screen readers. Finally, ARIA Live Regions are specific ARIA attributes that indicate dynamic content changes. They help screen readers announce updates that occur without a full-page reload, ensuring users with visual impairments receive timely information. To put this into context, think of real-time applications such as chat interfaces, stock tickers, and live sports updates. Using Area Live Regions, a chat application built with React can automatically announce new messages to screen reader users, keeping them engaged without the need to manually check for updates. Now let's see how these concepts come to life in a practical example. We'll be working with a simple React application that demonstrates how to use Area Live Regions to update content dynamically. Here's a brief walkthrough of the code in our src app.js file. We have a component that renders a chat interface. It uses React's useState hook to manage the chat messages and the input value. The chat window is marked with the Aria Live, aria-relevant, and aria-atomic attributes. Aria Live is set to polite, indicating that updates are non-urgent and can be announced at the next available opportunity. Aria-relevant is set to additions text, meaning that screen readers should be notified of text additions. Aria-atomic is set to false, which means that only the changes are announced, not the entire content. This setup ensures that new messages are announced to screen reader users without overwhelming them with information. You can find the full code in the comments below. As a challenge, try editing it to add an exciting feature and share your updates in the comments. Let's walk through how our accessible chat application behaves in action. When you launch the application, it greets you with a welcome message in the chat window. As you type a new message into the input field and click the send button, the message is added to the chat window. This action triggers the Area Live Region attributes, ensuring that screen readers announce the new message to users. This immediate feedback keeps all users, including those relying on screen readers, engaged in the conversation. As new messages are added, the chat window automatically scrolls to display the latest content, allowing users to follow the conversation effortlessly. In conclusion, mastering web accessibility with React and Area Live Regions enables you to create inclusive real-time applications that cater to all users. By implementing these techniques, you enhance the user experience for individuals with disabilities, ensuring no one is left out. As a developer, this not only broadens your audience, but also aligns your applications with accessibility standards and legal requirements. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. Staying updated with our content will significantly accelerate your learning curve, providing you with practical, real-world examples that you can apply directly to your projects. Thank you for watching, and let's continue making the web a more accessible place for everyone.